Hello everyone, welcome back. This is the day 3 of the assignment of Google AI Agent Intensive Program. So today's assignment is all about the memory sessions, how we create sessions, how we use them, how our AI agent use the memory. So basically both the labs are divided into two parts and both are related to the memory sessions. You can see the first lab is about memory management part 1. In this, we will cover what sessions are and how to use them in our agent, how to build our stateful agents and sessions and events, how to persist session in database, context management, etc. And second lab is all about memory. The second lab uh, is the most important one. You will learn a lot in this lab. So let's start. Go to the mail. Go to the first lab. You will come here. You now have to repeat the same steps. Go on copy and edit. You will come to this page and now go to add-ons, go to secrets, click on this checkbox so that you can use your previous API key and then come back and run the first cell to check if the API key is connected successfully or not. When you run this cell, you have to wait for 2-3 minutes and then you will see this output Gemini API key setup complete. Now the same thing. Now you have to repeat the same thing. You have to run all these cells individually. But it will take a lot of time to run all these cells individually. What you can do is go to this run all option and run all these cells together. They will run one by one, so it will be easy for you to not go to all the cells and run them individually. Instead, you can click on this run all option and all the cells will run one by one by themselves. Okay, so but you do not have to run only the cells. You should learn about this. You should read this all session management. You should learn about what is session, how to add them in our agent, how to manage them, how to implement database and all. You will learn a lot in this thing. If you are doing just for the certificate and all, it's good, but you should also have the information what you are doing. So I will recommend you to go through all this, study all this. It will really help you a lot. First, you just complete your assignment, then you can also read about it. Just run all the cells and then read about it. Read the white paper they have given here, context engineering session and memory white paper. You can read this or you can listen to the podcast also. Okay, so after doing or running all the cells, see this red thing. This is just warning, okay? This is not an error. You can see that it is already given here. See, the output is already here. Research app upgraded with events compactation, and this is inside our print command. So this is the output. Okay, so just run all the cells, and when you run all the cells, you can see we do not have to do anything else. These are all the outputs. You have to check, okay, check if all the cells are giving output or not. Some cells might take the time from 1 to 2 minutes, so don't be in a hurry. You should wait. Okay, and then that's all for the first lab of today's session. And you can see no submission is required, so you do not have to submit anything. You just have to do hands-on practice on this lab and you have to learn about it. And you might be thinking, if we are not submitting anything, so what's the use? So you all have to use this on the last project, which is the capstone project, which will give you the swags and all from Kaggle and Google. So yeah, this is all practice for that main project. And for the now, go to the second lab. You will come to this page. Now go to copy and edit. You will come to this page. Now the same steps. Go on add-ons. Go on secrets. Click this checkbox. You will add the previous Gemini API key. Now run the cell. Run this cell to check if the Gemini API key is set up properly or not. You can see mine is done. So when you are done with this step, now run all the cells and your all cells will run by themselves. When the cells are running, you should go through the all the things they have given. See, memory workflow, initialize memory service, memory management to the agent, and memory service implementation, or ingest session data into memory. This all is very important. They have explained it very well. Like they have explained it in points, not in paragraphs, so you will not be bored. And if you really want to learn this, you should read all this, or maybe you just go through them, then go to the online browsers and all and search them there and read from there. But you should go through everything, what's happening, what each command is doing, what each cell is doing, what are these model and all, auto memory agent, what is this function doing, what is where is function call happening and why it is happening. You should read all this. It will really help you out a lot. You can see how much they have given you the data to read. It's and you can see here the full code, sample memory. They have explained it, sample session data, and how consolidation works. Everything they have given to you. See, the same method. They have used the same API and the same method, but they are working differently. You should definitely go through it, why it is happening. Okay, and to the summary, what we have learned today, it is adding memory, storing information, searching memory, retrieving in agents, memory consolidations. Okay, see how much you are gonna learn in these two labs. So you should definitely go through this. And then congratulations, you have completed your today's lab also. So here it is not written submission is required or not, but here in this page it is written no submission required. So I am thinking that there is no submission required and there is no option to submit also. So yeah, let's go through it. And yeah, that's it for the today's assignment. Now tomorrow will be the day 4 and I will be coming with the another video. Thank you.